Michael, what are some questions that a consumer can ask their insurer regarding their policy?
Yeah, I think one of the best ones are is there any limitation or cap placed on this policy that I'm about to take out? And some of the things that you may look for are what's the rental allowance? Is that capped or what's the limitation on that? Um, you know, are there labor rates that are capped or limited? Is the way the value of your vehicle is going to be paid in the event of a total loss? Is there a limitation or cap placed on that? So all these are really good things to know as far as understanding really what is that limit of the policy. What in your mind would be another good one?
One that comes to mind is I want my vehicle repaired with all new original parts.
Right.
And, they need to ask their insurer, does my policy cover new original parts? And
Mhm.
if not, is there a way that we can upgrade the policy?
Another really important question I think they can ask is, does my policy have a right to appraisal clause? And as a customer, what they really need to understand is the right to appraisal is a dispute resolution mechanism within the policy. So they first need to ask if the policy contains it, and then if it does it apply both to the repair and to the value in the event that their vehicle is a total loss?
Absolutely. Very important in today's insurance policy. Another great question, does that insurer have a local claims
Mm,
staff, local claims team that may be familiar with the market or the particular shop, your shop,
right.
if that's a shop, but people that understand the market and the particular facility that's working on the vehicle.
And I think it's fair that timeliness becomes a big aspect of having a local claim staff. So if being without your vehicle for an extended period of time is a concern, as a consumer, local claim staff goes a long way towards alleviating that.
Absolutely.
Um,
Not only that, but you know, is there an agent involved? Right?
right,
Does that insurer have a local agent that will advocate for
right,
the
yeah,
consumer? Right? I mean, that's very important, and that could eliminate some of the the time the time constraints that we face
exactly.
these days.
Yeah, I think as a customer, if you're dealing with a carrier, do they have a local agent? And just as you said, are they going to be able to advocate me? Is that local agent familiar with the claims process and the policy and really helping walk me through that process or advocating for me when those issues arrive? So I think all great points that we've touched on that will really help a customer better understand their policy and how they're going to be taken care of in the event that they do have a claim.
Absolutely.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.